y'all, we're headed to a different FedEx winch out because the other one, someone actually was able to pull them out before I can get to them, because it was going to take me 2 hours until I could get there from doing the Carvana an hour away and then having to come an hour back, drop off, so really over 2 hours. But there's another guy stuck that's needing a winch out, so we're headed to him. Really, I should be in the snatch truck because it's 4-wheel drive and not the rollback, but we're taking the rollback, so let's see how it goes. I guess we're all going to find out soon enough. I got a 17-minute drive until I get there. So I'll see y'all soon. Alright, y'all. Should be at the end of this road. So far, it hasn't seemed too bad. It's just very freaking bumpy. How's it going?
Really bad, man.
Yeah, I could see. Oh.
What are you thinking?
Think about just grabbing the front end or that rim and pulling you this way. Because that's what you're trying to do, right? Is turn around?
Yep.
Okay. You should be fine, because I'ma just drag it. I was about to say, I think either way it's going to try to turn it. I think it's going to pull it this way. But it's going to drag no matter what. So if you want to see if it'll pull forward, I may have to rehook and take you forward a little bit. Go ahead and turn your wheels over. Yeah. Okay. You ain't gonna be able to back up because you're all the way on that dirt. Okay. Can you turn your wheels to the left? Okay. All right. Put it, is it in park? Is it in park? Okay. Put it in park real quick. I'll drag you more this way. That was an easy one. Yeah, not too bad.
Believe me, for the last 10 times I get stuck, always I lose it. Always.
Really?
Yeah, man. I never call a tow truck. But
Yeah.
this time, got me, man.
Yeah, especially being on that, I could see it. Because you're stuck. You can't go back, so you can only try forwards.
That was like this thing. I was going back like 3 times, and I get more stuck.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Hopefully that don't cause an issue. We put that dirt right there. I just gotta get the van. Yes, sir. You're welcome. I was about to say, let's see if both of us can get out of here. Y'all, that one wasn't too bad. Looked like he would just try to turn him around, got himself hung up on the back, and then couldn't go back anymore or go forward because it was just spinning. So, plus hitting the back of that bank. But all it really needed help with was spinning around. And then as I spun him, it got him where traction too. So, which it did pull him a little forward, so I guess that helped. were so bumpy. The other one's even bumpier. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all that one just so y'all can see the bumpiness. If y'all can even see it now. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you like content, please like, subscribe, and share.